Go for it. Send it. That's a bad place to stand. Rip a few off. It's nice. It always ejects them to the same place. Forward. Check your chamber. Is it empty?